Now, what we need to do is we have to add the dimensions to these views. And if you recollect that we have created sketches in a way that we can reuse them actually. Uh, and to do that, what we can do is we can go to annotation, and here in annotation you will find show model annotations. So you just click on show model annotation and pick the view where you want to show it. So I will just pick this view. So what happens here is uh, Creo brings back all the possible dimensions which you have in your model, and we can literally pick what we want to show here. Say for example this 66, we want to show it here, 55, 38, pick those dimensions which you want to show on the drawing. So 60, then we have 29, dia 24, where is that? Here somewhere. Here you have to pick, you have to click on the dimension, like on the text. Okay, if you just try to pick somewhere in the arrow, it will not work, but if you pick on the text, and that's going to work. Then we need 58 or 15. There is R4 R6 or something like that. Yeah, actually here there's R6 which we missed to add, but that's okay. Like click this and say okay. What will happen is Creo will bring all those dimensions which you have selected, so you can reposition them by selecting it and then shifting it to a new position. So what you get here is you need not to actually create all these dimensions, so you are just reusing the dimensions which you have on your 3D model. So that's the one of the good option to reuse the intelligence. Okay, so this is what we have here. There is some setting related issues which we will discuss shortly. Now we can repeat this with the front view, like here. The dimensions which we are interested here is the position of this hole, yes. Then this radius 19, or 5, 46, and 70. That's all. Say okay. What we can do is just pick it, move it. You can bring these values here, 70, somewhere here, 48.5 is here. I think that's all. There are a few dimensions which needs to be here. We'll repeat the same thing here, and show model dimension and pick the view. Here you have to choose 57 because that's what we want. Then we needed 32, 20, 32, or 2.5, which is here, I believe, which is here. And then 10 degree of inclination, which is this one, and the 65 width. That's all. You can bring this name on the top of the view. I'm just trying to recreate the dimensions in a way like it has been shown in a drawing. So Actually, the scale ratio of this view is very small, so that's why I'm not able to fit all the dimensions. Let me see if I can change the scale property of the sheet, or maybe the view itself. Scale. Okay, so it picks the default sheet scale for sheet is 0.5. Maybe you can use a custom and press 1. Yeah, that's good. So, okay, that's pretty well. Okay, maybe you can just delete this if okay, that's good. And let me check if we can generate a set line. Sorry, I cannot find the center line. Let me see if I can find it somewhere. Even if you don't find the center lines, your drawing is already done. So we are almost ready with our drawings. There are some font related settings which are missing, but you can explore and you can find what you can do. One thing is incorrect here is this value. It should be 6. I have added 4 model, and you can check it by or change it by redefining. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.